Processing payment, bro. Get this shit.
Oh, something light.
So today is me and Kaylee's 10-month anniversary. I almost forgot the month.
What must they fit? Wait, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Oh yeah, they're way too big.
Yeah, I figured so. I have a box here from Amazon. Pretty sure it's some new mics. So I got some, I don't even know how to say the name. I'll try though. Some Sennheiser wireless mics for my camera. Should be really good quality. They were the best ones I could possibly find. And they cost me like way too much money. But hopefully the quality, well, definitely the quality is gonna be there. So I'm not really too mad about it. I know obviously it's an investment. The quality is gonna be a lot better for you guys, especially at conventions and stuff. That's really why I bought them. When I walk around at conventions instead of having all the loud music blare. Pretty heavy, like not heavy, but like good quality, good construction. It feels metal, or at least this side does. This has turned into a review channel. Look how big these instructions are. And I don't even know if these are their instructions. It's just a bunch of stuff. I don't even know what it means. AF characteristics, RF characteristics, stereo diversity receiver.
Actually, it's a Baldwin 284 S3 class Berkshire type steam.
I think it's time to go to YouTube and find out how to use these because this is not helping. Oh, that wasn't even the instructions. These are the instructions. But damn, look at these. These are, how many steps are there? All right guys, using the mic now. I haven't tested like sensitivity or anything, so it could be super loud. So if it is loud, I'm sorry, but hopefully it sounds better. I gotta do some playing with it, obviously. But it's dope. Hopefully it works good. You guys can still hear me, which is dope. All right, we have Supreme here. All right, we got two minutes. Dude, my shit is not working. Dude, that was so slow. Yeah. Captchas are terrible. I can't hit process payment. Please wait. Please wait. Processing. Processing. Processing payment. That's what I'm saying. Processing payment, bro. Get this shit. There we go. There we go. I hit it. I hit a BOGO and a skate deck. I got a black medium and a skate deck. Let's get it. I did a manual, bro. Don't tell me you guys can't cop manual because it's possible. Look at that shit. Easy money. Dude, if I hit this, what's it called? This sneaker, the Air Force One, I'm gonna be fucking in shock. Bro, I got the Air Force One too. Manual. Bro, what? If you guys aren't reselling right now, literally easy money. I had an autofill. I was on Google Chrome at the right time, like crazy, bro. Saber autofill, the best in the game. Hey, Silk, you get your shirt? Actually, what size do you need? I'm in checkout right now. Yeah, but Raphael large. Hey, Silk, I got you, bro. It's fucking 10 minutes after the job. I know, right? I have some packages here. Got my new mic on. Let me know how it sounds. We're gonna start out with the skate deck from last week's Supreme. Actually, the first week of Supreme, right? It might have been, I can't really remember. I think it was. I was able to get so much stuff from Supreme. I got super lucky. Going manual, Saber autofill for the win. Literally, guys, a little self-promotion for a second, but if you do the math on this stuff and you just join the group just to get the autofill, this is what? A couple hundred profit. The skate deck's probably 50. The Cause hoodie is 100 or so. What else? Oh, the Supreme Air Force Ones, those are hundreds. What is that, 250 bucks just by having an autofill? So I've never had a Supreme skateboard, so I might keep this if it's sick. You know, I'm a big skater, as you guys know. Huge skate guy. You know, I know all the ins and outs.
I did one this morning.
It says, skate within your own abilities. Injury or death may be a result of improper use. Whoa, what is this? Oh, bubbles. Kind of weird, but cool nonetheless. Dope, this is really cool. Probably gonna hang this on my wall, either in the studio or in this office. Not too sure. Probably gonna bring it down to the studio. That'll look dope for the podcast and all that stuff. So we'll do that probably tomorrow. Gonna run down there, hang it up somewhere. So that'll be cool. Moving on, we have a shirt here, I believe. I think this shirt is for one of my homies. It should be the Raphael tee, and it is. Has some goodies in here. Some more bubbles. What else do we got? Some Supreme stickers. This is a sticker my friend was really wanting, so that's awesome that's in there. That's a pretty cool sticker. 2 of those, 2 Supreme stickers. Pretty dope. I'm gonna ship this out to my boy. Last but not least, Cause hoodie. Size medium, so it is my size. I think it's in black too. Actually, I don't even know if I fit medium. I usually fit a small, but for Supreme, smalls usually go for way too much. So I'm pretty much just a medium. Oh, something light. We got some goodies in here. Fire, bro. Some more stickers, the same exact stickers as last time. More bubbles. This is sick. I don't know, I don't know. Is it sick? Or is it just kind of like cool, you know? Is it sick or cool? I was wanting a black Supreme box logo, so I might throw this on and see how it looks. And I got it for retail, so it's like not too much, right? I'm gonna try this on and we'll see how it looks. It's probably a little oversized on me, but that's kind of how I like my hoodies. Pretty cool. I like it. Something light, little Supreme Cause. Probably gonna keep it for now, honestly. I can always probably resell it and get at least retail out of it. So probably gonna keep it. Really cool hoodie. Quality's definitely nice. Supreme hoodies are usually good quality. The tees not so much, but the hoodie's usually pretty nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hello.
When are you coming over?
Soon. I didn't know when you got out of your thing.
Yeah, I've been done for like 30 minutes now.
So today is me and Kaylee's 10-month anniversary. I almost forgot the month. So today is me and Kaylee's 10-month anniversary. I'm gonna go get some food, probably go get some flowers, all that good stuff you guys know, and head over to her house and probably just chill over there for a little bit. I wanna be taking the day off of work, which is kind of crazy. I never really do that, so I'm gonna try to take the day off. If you guys can't tell the quality difference, like, I'm pretty sure it's insane. I absolutely love it. I just got this like battery grip to put on it. I'll show you guys that in a second. It has 2 batteries, so I can record for, I don't even know how long, like a while now. And then obviously I have like my 212 gigabyte SD card, so I can literally record like 14 hours of footage, probably straight, honestly, with the battery and everything. So that's crazy. Hope you guys enjoy the quality. I spent a lot of money on it, but I'm more than glad I did. I know, I literally just said that I wasn't gonna work today, and then I just saw these messages. If you guys message me on Discord, I have so many messages. So if I don't reply, don't take it personal. It's just like, I'm trying to get to it, and I eventually will. It's time to go, because I'm already kind of late. The new grip, crazy cool. Bye-bye, Lola. Alright guys, so we're in the I-8 now. I'm about to go to Reese's and Chick-fil-A probably. You know, Chick-fil-A is always safe. If you guys ever have an anniversary or something and you forget about it. Not that I forgot, but like if you ever forgot, I didn't forget. But if you did, always go to Chick-fil-A, find out what your girl likes, what her favorite is. Maybe if it's a little chicken sandwich, #1 action, I don't know. Then get her some flowers, probably use some roses. You're golden, bro. You are golden. Now I'm probably gonna go to surprise Kaylee with those Air Forces, those Love Air Forces or whatever. Hi, yes, it's Hunter. I need 2 chicken mini meals, please. The only bad thing about driving this car, there's 1 cup holder in the middle and the other 2 are in the back. And the ones in the back aren't the best quality, to say the least. All right, time to go to Racers and get some flowers, roses, something. All right, got Racers. I went with the classic roses. Always a good choice. Never miss. All right, we just got the Kayleys.
Hello.
Hi, I'm here. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Hi.
Did you give me flowers?
No. You mean these flowers?
They're pretty.
We'll show you guys the shoes when we get inside. Chick-fil-A. What do you think?
I love it.
Works every time, guys. Cooper, you want a bone? Do you have any left?
Yeah, I need a bunch.
You want a bone?
Come here, do you want a bone?
Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Hey, sit pretty.
No, you don't train him good.
Oh, sorry.
Don't show anything. Sit. Sit pretty. Okay. Hands up. You're so cute. They're so cute. Wait, why do they come with 2 different colors?
Red and white laces.
Thank you.
The red laces look good on the front, I think.
I love you.
I love you. The little hearts on the toy box.
I showed you them.
I'll try them on.
Okay.
This is cool too. It has a little like.
It says men's size 7.5.
No, it doesn't.
Yes it does.
What? It actually does?
Yes, it actually does. Oh, 7.5.
No,
men.
9. Wait, what size do you wear?
7.5 women's.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, actually?
Oh my god, yes, actually. I even made a joke that they were gonna be the wrong size.
Well, what if they fit? Wait, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Oh no.
That's awkward as fuck. Try them on.
Oh yeah, they're way too big.
Yeah, I figured so. Fuck.
Yeah, they're huge.
Well, I got the wrong size shoes.
Well, what do we do now?
I don't really know. I'll figure it out. So, failed surprise. That's awkward. But
I still love them.
fuck. That's so funny though. I was making a joke to one of my friends saying like, yeah, I bought her the wrong size. But I actually did, so. Alright, cut the cameras. I gotta go figure this out.